Let's talk about my current beauty favorites. I have a mixture of hair and then makeup beauty products. Let's begin with the makeup. I'm gonna share with you guys what I did in my face and talk about my favorite categories. Let's begin. My current favorite foundation has to be the Patrick Ta Cream Foundation and the Finishing Powder Duo. I like to pair it with the brush. One side is for foundation, the other side is for the finishing powder. Packaging, very convenient. I'm gonna take the flat side first and just start kind of tapping this into my skin. I get a light to medium coverage, which is exactly what I'm looking for from this type of a foundation. It blends like a dream. Honestly, it's very foolproof. You can use a brush, your fingers, or a sponge. My favorite part about this foundation, the finish of it. It's very natural and extremely skin-like. When you look up close, yes, you can see product on your face, but the way it melts into your skin, I will say it lasts on me for 6 to 8 hours, and that's what I expect from a cream foundation, especially with this type of a texture where it's so creamy and so skin-like. Very impressed. Such a beautiful foundation. Definitely one of my favorite and go-tos. Current favorite concealer, Dominique Cosmetics, their Wake Up Full Coverage Concealer. I would say this is a good medium to full coverage. It has more of a natural radiant finish, so a little bit goes a long way. And Christine, she designed this to have a metal tip applicator to help first depuffing the under eyes, and then also it applies the perfect amount of concealer every single time. Beautiful. I'm in shade Almond Milk. My current favorite bronzer is this Beauty Blender, their cream and gel cream highlighter duo. So I'm in shade, I believe I'm in shade Buff. This bronzer is very pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way, and I like that it's buildable. And the best part is the pH balance in here. Once it hits your skin and it warms up, it has that perfect pH balance with the color of your skin tone. So you're always gonna get a really great result. It's not gonna be muddy, it's not gonna be too orange. It's gonna be that beautiful neutral shade where it contours, but it also bronzes and warms up your complexion, which is my favorite. But the best part is how it looks on your skin. It has a nice velvety matte finish, and I like the way it sets itself, and it does have a very long lasting result. I'm gonna take a little bit of the cream highlighter from Beauty Blender right onto my fingers and work it right here. Kind of like in the corner of my eye. And I like that it's not super glittery and chunky, just melts into your skin and just gives the most beautiful, very subtle highlight and glow. Let's set my face using the powder and the foundation duo. This powder is very soft. It doesn't look dry. It doesn't make your skin crepey, and it doesn't really mattify your skin. It just sets it. It has a nice satin finish. Let's talk about my current favorite eye products. About Face eyeshadow base. Applicator is nice. Doe Foot sponge tip applicator. Convenient, and it enhances my eyeshadows with color, pigment, and also longevity. Helps so the eyeshadow doesn't crease, and so it stays put all day long. My current favorite eyeshadows are one and done shadows. This little palette right here is by Revlon, their prismatic eyeshadow palette in shade That's a Dub, or the colorway That's a Dub. And I like this shadow in here. You can use your fingertips or you can use a brush. I'm gonna show you both ways. I like using the Rare Beauty eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna pack it on, and you can use this wet or dry. I actually like them wet. They give more of a wet metallic finish. They pop a little bit more. I'm gonna use some Fix Plus and just apply it to my eyelid. And then I'm gonna show you with my fingertip. Gel eyeliner. This one is my current favorite by Essence. Their Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in shade number 2, but first Espresso. These little eyeliners, they're so creamy, they're extremely pigmented. You can still blend them out to a point, but work one eye at a time, because once they set, they set. And they're so inexpensive. Definitely check this out if you're looking for a gel eyeliner. My current favorite mascara, Tower 28, their Make Waves mascara. It lengthens, it defines, and it has this curl technology in here to help lift and curl your lashes, so that way your curl doesn't fall throughout the day. I love the silicone bristles on here, and I love the curved wand to really help lift and curl those lashes. This mascara formula is extremely long lasting on me. They stay glittery, wispy, defined, lengthen, all that good stuff. Incredible, beautiful formula. My current favorite powder blushes. These are so stunning. I have a luxury and a cheap option. Let's start with the cheap. The Milani, their Baked Powder Blush in shade Petal Primavera. This particular shade I am obsessed with. It's so beautiful. It has a nice sheen, doesn't have the chunks of glitter on your skin or your cheeks. It doesn't accentuate the texture, your fine lines on your cheekbones. It's just a beautiful formula, so easy to work with, and I love the shade. This shade is so beautiful. You can really pack this into the brush because it's such a forgiving formula. It's such an easy formula to work with. Very buildable, but you still get a nice pop of color on your cheeks. They look healthy, they look flushed, and I love that sheen when you move with light. But there's no glitter on your cheekbones. That's the best part. And they're very long wearing. This other blush by Gucci, it's their new Luminous Matte Beauty Blush. It's so beautiful. This particular shade is Rosy Beige, and it's a little deeper version of the Milani. Let me just show you the difference. They're very similar, but the Gucci is a little bit more rosy. Yeah, such pretty shades. This one has a matte finish, but it also somehow brings out that luminosity on your cheekbones, but it also looks very airbrushed, very soft, and just stunning, and also extremely long wearing. These are so beautiful and definitely worth the splurge. Current favorite lip combo is this Bare Minerals, their Mineralist Lip Liner in shade Blissful Blush. It's like my lip color, but a little bit more pinky rosy. I love the formula. It's extremely pigmented, very smooth, blends really nice, and it has a nice long lasting result. For lipstick, it's the Dior, their Forever Transfer Proof lipstick. This one is in shade 100. First of all, the formula is so creamy. It's so pigmented. It's so blendable. But once they set, they are actually transfer proof. I can kiss my baby and there is no lipstick that transfers. That's the best part. And they're so comfortable throughout the day. It has a nice soft matte finish, and that's the best part. Like I said, it's transfer proof and you don't feel them on your lips, and they don't dry out your lips. These are beautiful and they're worth every single penny. Stunning. So postpartum hair loss is a real thing. I've had it with both babies. This right here is the hair serum that has really helped bring back or help the hair growth. And this is all of the new hair growth that I'm experiencing. This is the Divi, their scalp serum, their revitalize and detoxifying product. It is so incredible. And first of all, I love the woman behind this brand, Danny, and just her story is phenomenal. The one thing I will say with it, the very first month or the first 2 months, you have to be consistent to see results. So do it once a day or sometimes even twice a day. And you have to use a full capsule of this. You have to shake. This is my second one. I'm already on my third one, but there's literally almost no product in here. But you have to use a full dropper of this on your hair and focus it on areas where you have the most thinning. So for me, it really is around my hairline, my crown, and right in the back, right where my neck is. So using this once a day or sometimes twice a day and really massaging it into your scalp, it has that nice, very fresh, very clean smell, and it tingles on your scalp. It feels so great. Right now, I am almost 9 months postpartum. I started using this around 5 months, and I've been using it since. I don't use it every single day. I use it now twice to 3 times a week, depending on my hair care routine, but still incorporating this weekly, and I enjoy this product a lot. Next is a hair oil. This is by Acton Acre, and this is our cold pressed hair oil. I love using this once a week for the overnight hair oil treatment. I'll focus this on the mids to the ends of my hair, and then I'll use this for my hair care after I get out of the shower. Use 2 to 3 drops and just focus this right on the ends of my hair to give it that shine, that luminosity, that sleek finish that I want in my hair, especially the ends of my hair. My hair is very prone to tangling, and this helps a lot. This is such a beautiful formula. I love how clean it is, and we also really enjoy their shampoo and conditioner and their other hair care treatments. Both myself and Andre, we really enjoy this brand. Phenomenal. And my current favorite hair tool has to be the heatless curl ribbon. First of all, I love that it's made with real silk, so that way the results are frizz-free. It's very gentle on your hair when you sleep in it, and you basically create heatless curls with this hair ribbon. I've been using this nonstop and I love the results, long-lasting results, and I have a full video where I kind of go in depth of how I like to use it, what kind of results I get, and it's a phenomenal hair tool product, especially if you love heatless curls. This is for you. And that concludes my current beauty favorites, from my hair care down to my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye.